Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to show the recycle bin in your file explorer here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for File Explorer. You can also simply press the File Explorer here if you have pinned it in your taskbar, in my case. And you can also press Windows and letter E key as an eagle in your keyboard, Windows and letter E key together. And then that way you would be able to bring up this File Explorer. So once a best match would appear in this window, click on Open to proceed. Okay, so once you are here at the File Explorer window, please proceed at the upper center of the screen where you can see there are three dots. Click on it to see more options and go with this options which has this gear icon where you can change settings for opening items, file and folder views and searched. So tap on it, and the moment you've tapped on it, you would be able to bring up the small window called folder options, where here you need to proceed with the second option or section, which is view. So under the view, you can see their advanced settings. Please scroll down and look for navigation pane or panel where you can see 6 options. By here, you need to locate for show all folders. So in this option, which is show all folders, please mark it checked. And once you have ensured that this box is being marked checked or is being highlighted into blue one or blue marked, please proceed on confirm your action, and that is to click on apply and then okay. And by here, when you look at the left pane of this File Explorer window, you would be able to see the recycle bin next to control panel. So the moment you've clicked on it, you would be able to see all the recycle bin that you have in your Windows PC or laptop. So you can click on empty recycle bin if you'd like to delete all items in the recycle bin to free up this space. And you can also press on restore all items if you'd like to restore all of the contents here at the recycle bin. Okay, so when you check it here as well as the home tab, you would be able to see as well the recycle bin here in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Okay, so that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on showing your recycle bin in your File Explorer. So thank you for watching and have a good day.